Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install JDK and IntelliJ IDEA. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and we need to use JDK to run our Java applications. So first step is to go to your browser, you type JDK download and hit enter. We see this oracle.com page, so we go to Java downloads. We choose the latest version of Java, in this case it's Java 18, and we also choose the operating system. In my case it's Windows, and on the right side of x64 installer we will click on this link. So it will open up the dialog box and we save it. Well, I will save on desktop, but we can save it on any convenient location. And we should wait for the download to complete. So after the download is complete, we should double click and we should follow the installation instructions. Installation is pretty straightforward, so we hit the next. Now we see the installation directory, it's in C drive, program files, Java, so we should click next. And we should wait for a couple of minutes until the installation finishes. And after we see this message that it is successfully installed, we can click close. And that's about installation of JDK. In order to check the installation details, we should hit Windows plus R key and type cmd. In my case, it is already typed in, so I will hit enter. And now we should type Java and space and then 2-- and version. So it will print the details, and if you see this screen about Java 18 and runtime environment and hotspot server, it means that installation was successful. Now we need to install the IntelliJ IDEA, so we will type IntelliJ download. We will go to the link by JetBrains and we will download the community version, which is free version, and click download. So it will open up the dialog box and we should also click save and the download will be started. So after some time, when the download will be completed, we will open up the executable file and we will double click on the file and it will start installing IntelliJ. So we hit the run button and there will be another window. We click next. Also it shows the destination folder where the files will be installed, so we should click next one more time. And it's a good idea to create associations, so mark this Java and also add bin for the path and click next. We click install and it will start installing. This might take a while, so we should wait for the installation. After the installation is finished, it's a good idea to do a reboot, and after rebooting your computer, we can just check if the IntelliJ works. Now to check that IntelliJ IDEA is working, you should go to Start and you will locate IntelliJ IDEA installed, so you should right click. You can go to More and pin it to taskbar so that next time you can locate it on your taskbar, and just click on the icon to start IntelliJ IDEA. You can see that everything is working, so you can click on new project and you can generate project. You can choose the name of the project, you can choose the language, also the build system, and after you are done you can hit the create button and it will generate the project for you. So everything is working, and then you can just write your Java code, compile and run your programs. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, so please like and subscribe so that I will add more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.